Alright, everyone. Welcome back to another one of these godforsaken videos. Nope, stop it. Stop. Of Super Cat Bros. So, I have decided that I'm just gonna try and finish the world here. And that would be a good... That would be a good place to stop for this one. Just based off the fact that, like... It's just excessive at this point, you know? And what I mean by that is, like, the fact that I did as many levels as I did, so I'm gonna try and lower it a fair bit. Maybe I'll actually beat this level without dying immediately. I just like breaking these blocks. Jump. Alright. I'm going to spend the next fair bit just making sure I don't end up offing myself. Got it. Right. Right. Alright. I have it. First try. Finally. That took a second. Windy Harbor. Welcome to the Windy Harbor. Oh, I knew something was done here. I ain't getting that. Alright. Have you heard the legends about the giant fish? No. Hey, that's my spot. No, it isn't. It's mine now. It is my spot now. Fool. Foolish fool of fools. This harbor is built upon ancient ruins. Yeah, I can see. Bonk. Key. Buy helpers in the shop. They're going to make your life easier. Alright. I feel like there might be something here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, they fell off. Can't speak to him. We should rate this game. No, I will not. Let me speak to him. Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do there. Remember, helpers are a one-time use only. Good luck. Yeah, I don't need you. Eat the apple. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to come back whenever I get the cat that allows me to swim. Yeah, I'm aware. I'm aware of the key, dick. Oh, I have one key. Alright. Oh no, it's the red coin. Big fish. Oh, I didn't realize that pillar was there. Oh, I probably could have had it. Alright. I see. Alright. And I've beaten it. This level, I don't think I said what the name of this level was. Probably some kind of fish canyon or whatever. Water Ruins 2. Okay, that was probably Water Ruins, just basic. Ow. 15 minutes of me trying to grab this coin. Absolutely worthless. And I grabbed him. Got it. And I grabbed it. After 13 years of me trying to grab it. Waterfish. Strong water currents are not a problem for me. Oh. I didn't realize I'd get them. In retrospect, I probably should have seen the thing that was up top. That would have probably helped. Fire bars underwater? That's impossible. Yeah, that was a cat pun, yeah. I know, right? I'm the worst. Oh yeah, they had to make sure that I wasn't playing as Brutus the entire game. Yeah, yeah, there's something over here. Yeah, you ain't hiding that from me. I legitimately thought I was about to die there. Human unlocked. Lifeguard. Yeah, I got a cat. Get a cat. Alright, I'm just gonna go back and get these. I keep bonking my head. I like how I'm grabbing the coins despite. And then an ad. Yeah, I get it. Ad, yes. I like how this one purrs instead of meowing. Also, note, I realized the audio wasn't working in the last video, so I apologize for that. I don't know how to fix that though, so just I couldn't grab it for a second because I'm an idiot. But just know that if it doesn't work, I'm probably gonna do the same thing I did last time, which is have music in the background and hope that works. I did it. I like how the hat popped pops up. I mean, that's fun. That's nice. Windy Harbor. I feel like that key is probably important. Scuba diver, yeah. Achievement. Achievement got. Onward. Welcome to the shop. Yeah, I do not want to buy your wares, buddy. Amigo friend. Alright. So I have one more level after this. And then we can continue. Yeah, water. Yeah, it's water rings one. Alright. No, I do not want to help her. I can't get past that one without bonking. I have big fish. I feel like something goes up here. There's no way to tell. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, I knew I remembered there being a secret exit here. But where, though? That's where I didn't know. I got the coin. Got the coin. Now get up. Guess we have a secret level now, so that's fun. Yes. 2-dash fish. Camp fish. I don't know if I said 2-dash fish, but I don't know anymore. Worth checking. Oh. Those are fish. I feel like I was probably supposed to count them. I think I saw like 29. Oh. Wait, can I? Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That would defeat the whole purpose. Oh, guess I'm going back in there. Oh, I have evil coins. Evil. Evil. Now, write in the comments how many fish you think there were. I think I saw 25, but I'm probably wrong, given my track record. Oh, look at that, I was. Oh. Imagine if I missed the coin. I think that would have been worse. Aw, 667. No, ad. No. Alright. Alright, I counted 22. Alright. Please just give me it here. Yes. No. Imagine if I screwed myself there. Jesus Christ. I would have lost my mind. Well, not literally. Big Finn. Could say this is the Big Finn. Like, isn't like finale. Okay. I don't like sandcastles. I thought I was about to die there. I don't know what I thought was over there. Yeah, I ain't taking it. I didn't realize. This run of sandcastles was actually valid. I saw a thing there. Swim. Oh, it seems we beat him. Huh, that killed me. Wait a second, so what in the hell? Bonk. So what am I supposed to do there? Like... I feel like the golden cow would have helped there, but I'm gonna... No, don't flip the screen. I'm gonna go to the shop, and for once I'm actually gonna buy something. Reba. Alright, welcome to the shop. Purple. Alright, I need to figure out what the hell I'm supposed to do here. Do I need to get, like, the golden cat thing? Do I just need to go, like, just... Which I doubt. I would prefer that you couldn't, because it's kind of loud and annoying, so... Is this repeating? I think it's repeating. No. Oh. So this is like an infinite thing, or like... I don't know. Oh. There you are. And I have one. Oh, sparkling. I have no idea how I was supposed to actually get past that. And this is the third level. Alright. So... And I'm gone. Well, this concludes this episode. See y'all later. Have a great day. So on and so forth.